Hello, Victor here, RestoreYourMercedes.com. This is a quick update for Vadim. In California, I just wanted to show you what I've done here. So basically, the transmission installation is coming up. So I removed the flex disc here because there is an oil leak from the seal here. It's kind of a common thing on these V12s, but I basically put lots of silicone around because to remove upper oil pan is a big job, because you have to not only taking transmission out, but either you remove complete engine or you remove this whole subframe. Okay, because you have to have access. Subframe will not let this oil pan to come down, because you see this is just not this piece, it's the upper piece. So which is a huge job. We had very little bit of a seepage of oil, so this is going to slow it down for sure. And I also went and put oil all over, silicone over a rear crankshaft seal. It was not leaking, it's perfectly fine. I just ran a bead around it just for the hell of it. But this should do. This is a good silicone. This is original Mercedes. That just I wanted to bring in, because if you're going to do this job sooner or later, whenever, then you will clean all of the silicone off anyway. Another thing that we'll do is I'm going to just tighten up these two bolts just slightly, because you don't want to over tighten none of the stuff. These are all thin metal. This is thick metal, but this is thin metal, the actual cover. And if I were to remove the cover to reseal it, I still won't be able to get to the seal, because it starts from here, runs across, ends here. So you have to lower upper pan, and that's a job that we cannot really do in this environment. Plus, I never really suggest doing it unless the engine is out. Then you do it. You do everything, the complete overhaul. All right, so this is what I wanted to add to this video. I'm going to also put like a little bit of anti-seize on the guide. Same on the other side there. The starter, it looks good. The ring gear looks good. We don't have no chamfered or broken teeth here. So transmission is going to be going in today. Actually, right now it'll start. So what else can we say? Behind the engine, everything looks dry. Since we have access here, let's just see the back of the engine. It's a rare sight, you don't really see behind it, but it all looks good to me. Pretty much excellent. And yep, that's about it. Okay, so this is all for me for now. I'll kick on with transmission reinstallation back in the vehicle. Thank you for watching.